Hello everyone, my name is Abhinav Lakkapragada and my teammate is Trinesh Reddy and we are group 84. Today I'll be demonstrating our Reddit clone REST API implementation for project 4.2. This is a distributed system built in Gleam that implements Reddit-like functionality with a REST API interface. So today I'll be showing you how to run the code, demonstrate all the core features and show how the clients communicate with the server via REST API. So here's our project structure. We have the main engine in Reddit clone.leam, the HTTP server in the simple HTTP server, and the command line client in the HTTP client cli.leam. So first I'll be starting the server. So first Gleam build, and then I'll be starting the server. And as you can see, the server is now listening on port 8080, and these are all the available endpoints for the REST API. Now I'll be showing you how the user can register. I'll open another terminal, and so now let's register Alice. So, so here we can see the HTTP response, that's 200, and the karma is 0. And on the server side, we can say this new connection and user registered. So this is the user ID, which we will copy for further use. Just paste it here for Alice. And once this is done, let us register another person too. So now I'll register Bob. And again, on the server side, we can see the response that the user was registered successfully. So I'll just note down Bob's ID as well. And once this is done, now I'll be creating and joining a subreddit. So command for that would be this. So Alice will create a programming community. So this is the command. And in this command, I just have to replace the ID with Alice's ID that we got from the server side. So let me do that real quick. And now, so on the server side, we can see the that there is a response. The server receives the post request and creates the community. So the JSON response includes the subreddit ID, name, description, and the creator info. So again, we'll copy this subreddit for our future use. I'll just paste it here. And now uh, the next feature would be that Bob will join the subreddit that Alice created. So this is the command for that. So in this command, we have to replace two of them. One would be we have to paste the user ID of Bob's and then the subreddit ID of the subreddit that Alice created. So this Bob's ID, and this is the subreddit ID. Put it here, and there you go. This the server processes the join request and updates Bob's subscriptions. We got a success response. So now we'll move on to the next functionality that would be creating posts. So Alice will post to the programming subreddit. So Here's the command for creating the post. So she said that Gleam is a type-safe functional language. So in this, we have to replace again two IDs. That would be one, the subreddit ID and the user ID. So here Alice is making the post. So we'll copy Alice's ID and paste it here. And then we'll paste the subreddit ID. Paste it here. And there you go. Now you can see the server logs that the title is Introduction to Gleam. And here you can see that it receives the post request right on the server. And then on this side, uh, it logs the user ID and the post title and then creates the post. The response includes the user ID, the title, content, and the initial vote count, that is 0. And now we'll check another functionality that would be voting on the post. So now Bob will vote on Alice's post. So here is the command for that. So since Bob is doing it on Alice's post, we have to copy the post ID too. So the post ID would be this. So let me just copy it. I'll just paste it here. So this is the post ID. And then since it's Bob, so just copy Bob's user ID. That's it. So so Bob upvoted the post. So here we can see the post API call vote, and then you can see the server processes this vote and returns success. And now I'll just show you a small multi-client demo. The code is in this file. Here you can see multiple clients connecting via HTTP to the server, and it shows all the responses. So it would be easier. So let me just copy that. So here we can see all the responses. Alice was registered, Bob, and then Charlie, and the subreddit as well. And so that's it for the main. So that's our core implementation. We have demonstrated all the main features: user registration, subreddit creation, joining communities, posting content, voting, and also handling multiple concurrent clients, all communicating through RESTful HTTP APIs. Now I would like to show you the bonus implementation as well. So let me just switch the screen. And so this is our bonus implementation. And in this again, let me just get up once and compile. So in this bonus part, we have some files that we have three additional files. First is crypto underscore helper.gleam, which handles signature generation and verification. Second is crypto FFI .erl, which provides the Erlang FFI bindings to the crypto library. And third is the bonus demo .gleam, which demonstrates the signature functionality. And also some significant changes have been made in Reddit clone.gleam because we have included the signature part, as you can see here. Also, we have also modified the simple HTTP server too. We added two bonus endpoints, one to retrieve a user's public key and another to verify a post's signature when downloading it. And also, so these are the two changes in the files. And we have also made small changes in uh, these two files. And now I'll show you the functionality of the demo too. So first, let me run the server. So the server is running. Okay, I actually didn't stop the server there. So let me just stop it there real quick. So yeah, as you can see now the server is running. And now I'll just run the bonus. So this is the bonus. First, the demo is generating RSA key pairs for users, registering them with their public keys, creating posts with digital signatures, and verifying those signatures. And you can see on the server log as well that you can see the post, the signature verification by Alice, and we have also made a fake one where it did not match, and we got if someone tries to post with a with an invalid signature, the server rejects it, ensuring post authenticity and non uh, repudiation. So in the bonus implementation, we have added public key registration, signature generation for posts, server-side signature verification, and endpoints to retrieve public keys and verified posts, so that this ensures that every post is cryptographically signed by its author and can be verified by anyone. So creating subreddit, signing the post, submitting, retrieving, successful. And we tried with another tampered one and it failed. So to summarize, we have successfully implemented a Reddit clone with a RESTful API in the core version and added public key cryptography with digital signatures in the bonus version. Both the versions are fully functional. And so that's it from me. Thank you.